My name is Kevin Mitchell. I'm here from Professional Pricing Society, and I am very, very happy to welcome everyone to our 30th annual Spring Conference.
For 30 years, Professional Pricing Society has played an important role in advocating the importance of pricing.
We recognized from the very beginning that if we were going to be serious about reaching a pricing audience, that we needed to partner up with PPS as soon as possible.
As a first-timer at this event, my experience has been awesome. I have learned so much.
Whether it was workshops, classes, conferences, the opportunity to network with other pricing professionals has made a world of difference.
Happy 30th anniversary, Professional Pricing Society.
Happy 30th anniversary.
Happy 30th anniversary.
It's just amazing the global reach that PPS has, and really the strong community that you guys have been able to pull together here at PPS.
To give us a platform and a venue to be able to connect with the pricing audience in a very unique way that is very custom and tailored to what we're looking for is just a tremendous value.